The camera has got assembled. Let me put this inside the case. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. As I made an unboxing of this Insta360 waterproof case in previous vlog, that was a very big mistake whichever they sent it me. So for that mistake, I needed to pay 3000 extra and I placed an order for original case itself. I don't wanted to go for second party or third party case because I don't want to put my camera under risk. More than their mistake, there was a mistake of mine also. Usually when I place an order in Photo Center India, I usually tell them to send the image first, then only I'll place an order. But this time I didn't tell them to send the photo. That was my mistake also. And the image whichever they had posted in their website, that was actually a different case, and whichever they sent it me, that was a different case. So for that mistake, I spent it somewhere around 300 rupees for courier charges, return charges. After placing original case now, I have bit of peace. I thought first they might not replace, but somehow they replaced it. The packing is really good and safe and secure also. They have used this plastic jute bag. Just look at this. And inside this, they have put a parcel box with lot of cellophane tape. Wow. Happy birthday to Insta waterproof original case. God, what is this? So much of packing. Okay, somehow I got it. Finally. I checked with some other website also, so it was somewhere around 7300 in some and 7400 in some websites, but in this website it is 5790 actual prices, but 500 rupees discount he gave, so it is 5290. So invoice copy is here. Next comes up with unboxing. However, they have already unboxed it and they have sent me the image and all before sending me this. Just look the packing, guys. Original is original. Wow, so safe and secured, huh? Okay, here is Insta360 1R dive case for wide angle mode. Instructions for use. Okay, let me remove this paperwork, keep it apart. Just look at this, guys. They have packed so well. Premium packing, I can say. Wow, amazing. What is there in the side box? Let me open this also. I'm sorry. There is a cloth. What is this? Kuti something round kuti stuff they have given. I don't know what is this. I have to go through user manual then only I can tell you people. And here comes up the last and the final one, a mount. So this mount is already there. This is actually used for stick. I was expecting for lengthy mount, so that is not been given. And some pieces of white stuff is also being given. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I don't know what is this used for. Okay, let me open this case. Proper box. Now I have to assemble my Insta. This mount I got it with the Insta360 1R camera. So this mount I got it with this case. But this mount is really very huge, I can say, compared to this one. Let me keep this also, whether I use or not, that is secondary. This is actually not cloth, guys, sorry for that. This is actually a bag where I can carry my case as well as camera safely. Wow. Here is Insta360 which is being written on this bag. The bag is really very thick. The camera has got assembled. Let me put this inside the case. I hope this sits well. Yes, here is some rubber gasket and this is normal sponge type material. So let me give a press. Yeah. The buttons are also smooth, whichever they have given on top. So standby button, if I'm holding it for 5 seconds, automatically it will start getting shoot. The entire thickness of this case is in next level. The size of this waterproof case is almost equal to M50 mirrorless camera itself. From side, if I'm holding mirrorless camera, even that size is almost same. But no problem, if camera needs to be secured, then I need to put this. And one more thing, whatever the black stuff, you are able to see this on top. So this is metal part. So inside again, that stuff is fiber itself. I have to be a bit careful with this stuff, because if this gets scratched, then case is waste. Why case is waste? Because this is a lens part. On the lens part itself, this outer layer, Insta360 waterproof case, gets scratched means then the clarity or the shoot visibility won't be so great. Guys, now the next jugaad which I need to do is this mic adapter. Here I have to make a hole, and then I have to put some M-seal. So this stuff, this hole making stuff, I won't be doing. I don't want to take so much of risk and all. I'll see if someone can do it for me, a professional people, especially sticker cutting people, will make this stuff perfect. And this holes, small sticker, which whatever I showed you in beginning, I said I don't know where I need to put, right? So this, it need to be installed in this mount place. Guys, there was a small confusion, what is this, right? So this is actually anti-fog. So they have mentioned here on a sticker inside the case. So I hope you people can see in the camera. So this need to be placed here one, and here one in the side, then put the camera inside. I don't know how will I place it properly. Okay, let me keep it like this, inside, and place the camera. Now it's perfect. This is also perfect, and this side also it's perfect. Now let me lock this. That's a very satisfying sound, I can say you. Click. Now the problem is, when they are cutting this side, this gasket shouldn't break out. If they cut off this gasket also, then this case is waste, I feel, because again water leakage will be there when I'm traveling in the rain. So for that reason, I don't want to take a risk, and I don't want to cut that. Let me give it to someone and let me do that stuffs. So leaving that, plastic quality is really very good, and packing though, I'm completely impressed with this Insta360 original case. But price wise, yes, I felt bit expensive. Of course, after investing on camera somewhere around 40k, investing on case somewhere around 5200 rupees is not a very big deal. If we need to keep something safe, of course we need to invest on that thing. Anyhow guys, waterproof case problem is solved. I hope in upcoming days I'll be making a vlog on this mic port opening or melting and or breaking, whatever it is. Let's see that time how he does, what idea he gives to us. According to that, we'll do this. In upcoming days, of course, I'll be making a motor vlog a lot. So I need your support as you people are giving me right now. If you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. If you people are still not following me on Insta, do follow. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.